My thing is gone. I'm sorry, I don't want to be a brat.
It actually knew how to like come back. But like this girl was walking this thing for like an hour and you did it. You're just sitting there like, okay, yeah.
I got a new one.
Look how that.
Okay, babes, so I am ready. How do I feel about the lip? How do you feel about the lip? Yeah, we'll see how that works. And yeah, I am gonna show you what I'm wearing. I'm trying to find a good place to show you. It's a little bestie, huh? I don't really show a lot of cleavage, but I'm still in the middle of cleaning and I don't want to, you know, show you guys that. So let's see. And let's see what else. I don't know what bag to carry. I want to carry my vlog camera, so I was gonna think either my Gucci Dionysus or my black Chanel. I think I'm gonna do the black. Not me chewing gum. That's better. So let me get this bag. I think I'm gonna carry this because it matches with the pants. So I'm gonna carry this bag. I need a packet. Let me actually put you guys up here. If I'm a little all over the place, just, you know, be patient. Oh, I'm gonna wear my Chanel. I haven't worn her in a minute. Chanel Gabrielle. Smells so good. It smells so good. I don't want to wear my Chanel earrings because I feel like, well, they're the only pair of earrings I currently have. So, and I want to buy some more, but I feel like I don't want to like overwear them. Granted, they are kind of like a statement every day, but I don't know. I want them to be special, so I don't want to wear them every single day. So I need to buy some more like cute gold pieces, hoops, and studs. Like it's like a diamond stud with a gold hardware. I really want the Christian Dior CD hoops. My makeup looks so good, and you know what? I didn't even set my face with like, I'm gonna go set my face right now. I need to set my face. And guys, I think I'm on time. I think I might be on time for dinner. I think I might be early for dinner. Let me not gloat because that can change in a second. Yeah, it's 7. I set the reservation for 8. So I have a little bit of time. I might even see if they have a 7:30 so that I can get out early. Yeah. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna sit you guys down. And then I'm going to just set my face. And then I'm going to see if I can make the reservation early. I'm going to call my Uber. Then I'm going to take you guys to dinner with me.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Hey, His body, baby, oh. It's a bad man thing. See, I'm a It's a bad man thing. Bulaka. Yeah. See, see. Ọmọ jà relate to. Ọmọ jà wọlé o. Say we get to bed o. So no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they want.
I haven't been here in quite a while, but I love that they have a really extensive raw bar and an extensive menu. And they play old school movies, and the decor is so classic. So I wanted to check it out and see what it's like after COVID. I think I'm going to get some oysters, a lot of oysters. I'll do the pemmican.
Yes, those are my favorite.
Are they? Yeah. And then I want to try a West Coast. What do you suggest?
So, to be honest with you, the two best ones is the Kumamotos and the Kushis.
Okay.
The only reason just because they're specific to their nature from California, so they're very different.
Can I try one of these?
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
You can find me at my best when I'm naked, when I'm lying by the pool getting faded. See, I used to give a fuck, now I'm jaded. I'm allergic to the bullshit. Allergic to the bullshit. Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Sex on the sofa, that's my yoga.
I've been in bed pretty much all day. And right now I'm going in on Amazon, but look at these savings. Look at it, look at it. Anyways, I'm buying some bedding and some like decor stuff, or decor and organizational stuff. And yeah, it's getting up there, but I'm excited to save. But yeah, so Amazon haul coming soon. These things should be delivered by Saturday, I believe. And today it is Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I'm looking forward to showing you guys what I got and kind of like revamping and fixing up my room and stuff. So
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, yeah. See, see, I'm a jar relate to. Ọmọ jà wọlé o. Say we get to bed o. So no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. Ọmọ jà relate o. Ọmọ jà wọlé o. Say we get to bed o. So no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place them I want.
Today is Friday, April 23rd. and I am feeling good, feeling great. It's a bright and sunny day today. It's supposed to be about 60 degrees. I'm about to meet my best friend, and we are gonna go to this med spa to get something done, but I'm gonna vlog a little bit, but I'm not gonna be out for too long because I'm pretty much gonna be coming right back home. I have all of these things to unbox, and they're pretty much all bedding and like organizational stuff, so I'm probably gonna do that for you guys later and like fix up this bed back here to be more hotel style and luxe. So I can't wait to get back to do that, but just wanted to check in and say hi. I've been in a kind of a funk all week. I've just had bad news on top of bad news on top of like arguing with my roommate and just crazy. But regardless, I'm in a really good mood right now. I had a really amazing dinner last night, and dinner was just, you know, it was the thing I needed to just like cheer me up and get me out of a funk. So yeah, anyways, we'll see you guys, or I'll see you guys later, and I'll take you guys along with me to, where are we going? Let's see. I will take you guys along with me to Face of Beauty RN in New York City on the Upper East Side, I believe.
Speakeasy places.
Yeah. Can I be turned for me? And your face. You have the nicest skin.
I will never buy fillers from Groupon ever again. I'm done. No, do as I say, not as I do. Seriously. Don't you ever buy fillers from Groupon, Guilt, none of that.
Oh my god.
Living Social.
Oh damn, not even Living Social?
No, especially not
Living Social. But we shall be frozen soon.
We just got our re-up on our Botox. We're ready for the summer.
Yes.
Hot girl summer.
Yes.
City girl summer.
Yes.
Winter Olympics was fun. But you know.
If you know, you know. What happened today, babes?
So, what happened today is a result of when you try and take the easy way out and you buy lip fillers on Groupon.
Damn, dog. Don't hide it now.
Long story short, I got some filler dissolved. The numbing cream hasn't quite wore off yet,
Yeah.
so we're just gonna go through the rest of the day talking like this.
This is temporary, though.
Like,
this is temporary. She's gonna be snatched eventually.
Hi. Thank you. Oh, this both was champagne.
Thank you so much.
Hey,
Hey.
No, I got my filler dissolved. I got my lip filler dissolved, but like,
Yeah, it's a struggle. It's a struggle.
Leave me alone. You're over here. Make me feel better. But can you guys don't make me feel? Oh, by the way, she's vlogging.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Sex on the sofa, that's my yoga. Till my last breath, no regrets, 'cause I do it like it's roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it that shit behind me. Keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like
Hey guys, so it is around 8:30 on a Friday. I'm about to head back out, but you guys saw that I went to get my forehead Botoxed, and obviously it hasn't kicked in yet. Don't mind, I was in a rush, but it hasn't kicked in yet. But I had a really amazing experience with Deanna at Face of Beauty in Manhattan on what, East 74th. Amazing experience. She was absolutely spectacular. Could not have had a better experience, and I'm gonna keep you updated in the future vlogs of like how I feel about, like, you know, how the results are. But so far, so freaking amazing. I wasn't able to put much makeup on my forehead, and I was in quite a rush to like get ready, so you know, things might not be as seamless as I would hope. But this is what we're looking like right now. I have on, okay, don't mind what's happening back there, but, or don't mind what's happening back there, but I have on this cute camisole and these like, what is it called, waxed denim, right? Waxed denim. Yeah, but anyways, it's been a good day so far, and I'm super happy and looking forward to going out with my girlfriend for dinner in Jersey City. So anywho, I'm actually really liking the makeup, loving the makeup, and I'm here for everything that's going on here, but I cannot wait to see what happens with these little forehead wrinkles. I inserted a little video from my phone on what it looked like before, and I'll update you guys tomorrow Saturday. So I'll take a little video of like without makeup what my forehead is looking like the day after. Anywho, enough talking. Yeah, I'm gonna head out to dinner. I'm not gonna bring my vlog camera with me. I'm just gonna enjoy the night and let this charge. So see you guys tomorrow.